You searched how to buy shares of Norfolk Southern Corp. Norfolk Southern is a major U.S. freight railroad listed on NASDAQ under the ticker NSC. This video is educational information, not financial advice. To trade, you need a broker, and I will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you will need to verify your account, usually with an ID, and add funds before you can buy. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker NSC. Then select the Norfolk Southern Corp listing to locate the correct stock. On the stock page, review the company summary and the price chart for context. Double-check the listing shows Norfolk Southern Corp and the NSC ticker to confirm it is the right asset. Click Invest. Enter the amount you want to buy, then review the order details and confirm to place the trade. If the market is closed, the order may be queued or set for the next session, and if you lack funds, the platform will prompt you to add them before finalizing. After the trade, your position will appear in your portfolio. Find the eToro link in the description if you want to follow the steps shown here.